So let me do an undo. So this one is percentage 29.5. The next one should be 31.5. Yes, next one should be 30.5. The next one, when we means I'm just dragging the numbers one after another. Next one should be 27.4. Like that, if I keep on dragging, it's still here, it should give me this one, right? So total doesn't make sense here because the total is basically upon total number of errors made. So what I will do, I will delete this number. I will delete this entire column now. Actually, I don't need the total. The total I made was just to validate that my calculation is correct and the numbers are pulling correctly from the raw table. Now, once I have this table, I want to plot it. I want to see that what are the means the ratio of errors versus crimes committed. What is the distribution of it across months? Okay. Now I have this table. I will create a chart. Now, if you click on the recommended charts, it gives you a recommendation. Okay, that what is the percentage of crimes committed versus what is the percentage what is the number of crimes committed versus percentage of errors made. So this is kind of a percentage. This is the different way. So we'll select this particular graph. Okay, so once we select this particular graph, it will show you these graphs are for the crimes committed, right? We will quickly format these graphs to make it very more appealing. So what we'll do is that format data series. Okay, gap width will make it to, let's say, 51. Okay, top level, we are changing it to this format. We are going to kind of change the color of it. So once we can outside, then select the color of it. Let's say we're going to select this dark red. Fine. I don't want this background lines. I'm deleting these background lines. Okay, so just drag it bottom. This is how it looks like. Now chart title is crimes committed versus arrest. Basically, this is a trend by months. Okay, so basically this is an arrest by and by month. Okay,